Well, it's finally done, ma'am.
Good. It's been months.
I know, but it's worth it.
So what does it do?
Well, a better question is what does it not do?
What does it not do?
It doesn't not do.
Just show me. What is the point of this?
The point? Well, you can use it for anything. Birthday parties, bachelorette parties, I don't know.
Will it sell?
So, I haven't really thought about that.
Cut that out. This is pointless.
No, it's great.
Get out.
What?
Just get out.
Okay. She hated it.
I'm sure it's fine, Alan.
You don't understand. I'm gonna lose my job. We won't be able to pay the mortgage. We're gonna be homeless. I'm gonna have to share my food with dogs.
Alan, don't be ridiculous.
I'm not. Okay, that's her. Hello? Really? Oh, no. Okay. Yeah? Alright. Okay, bye. They want to sell my invention.
That's great.
To a toy company. I'm a serious inventor. My invention is groundbreaking.
Oh, Alan, lighten up.
How would you feel if they did this to your work?
Alan, I write children's books.
Okay, say they make you write one for an adult.
Being ridiculous. How much will they pay you for it?
$1 million?
Dollars?
Yes, of course, dollars.
Alan, you need to take this.
I'll think about it.
Facing the world ain't easy when there isn't anything going. Standing at the corner waiting.
Didn't she say 7?
She's only 15 minutes late. Maybe she got lost. Well, it's time.
Hello, I'm Andy, and this is my half-brother Stanley. Hi, I'm Sophia.
Thanks so much for meeting us.
It's not a problem. Do you want to hear about your dad?
Yeah, that'd be great. Would you like a glass of water or anything?
I'm fine. So you worked for our dad? What was he like? He was a nice man. He was the only person to give me a job. I'm lucky I have a job now.
Oh, what do you do?
Now I'm in the entertainment business.
What do you do in the entertainment business?
I guess you could say I'm an actress, but I'm really looking to get a book deal.
We have a friend who's written tons of books. I'm sure I could give you her number.
What exactly did you do for our dad? How did you meet him?
I helped him with chores, things like that, running errands. Noah really was a nice man, though. But I can't seem to remember how we met.
How long ago was this?
A few years ago.
Were you living with him when he died? Do you know anything about his death?
Yes, I was living with him, but I don't know anything more than you do. He always said that he regretted not spending time with you two. But listen, I have to go. I have to be somewhere. You have my number, and I'd really appreciate it if you gave it to your writer friend.
Of course. It was great talking to you.
Dad never said that. She's obviously lying.
You don't know that? Maybe you did.
And why didn't he ever do anything about it?
Hello?
Hey Lisa, did I wake you? I'm sorry. That woman came over today.
Really? What'd she say?
Not much. Andy was pretty upset. She said she was looking for a book deal. Would you mind meeting her?
Of course, Stanley. Mm-hmm. Okay, bye.
Couldn't that have waited till tomorrow?
Stanley is really having a hard time.
I'm having a hard time too, getting some sleep.
Hi, are you Lisa? Yes, you must be Sophia. It's nice to meet you. Me too. So, tell me about your idea.
And then Sophia says that the girl goes ballistic and tears up the entire garden. Isn't that absolutely terrible?
Dreadful. You know, I think I'm gonna take the deal. What are we gonna do with $1 million though? Are you a millionaire if you only have $1 million though? Because I mean, as soon as you spend $1, you're a millionaire.
Alan, oh, this is so wonderful.
Yeah. We should celebrate tonight. Don't you want to? We can go to dinner. We can go dancing.
I'd love to, Alan. I've got plans already. I'm sorry.
That's all right.
But maybe we can celebrate tomorrow.
Yeah, let's do that.
Okay, I'm late already. I've got to go.
Okay.
Are you sure you weren't busy tonight?
Of course not, Stanley. I told you if there's any way I can help.
Thank you. How's Alan?
He's just as wild as ever. He's working on inventions all the time and we barely see each other.
I'm sorry to hear that. Is he working on anything exciting?
No, not really.
So what'd you think about Sophia?
Oh my gosh, she was awful.
I know. What do you want to drink?
Where have you been?
I was out. Sophia and I are going to meet up tomorrow. You want to come?
Yes. You know what? I would like to. You've been acting very strange lately.
Well, a lot of things are about to change, aren't they?
I guess so.
Here she comes.
This is the song for Sophia. Sophia.
this be Alan?
Alan, you're drooling.
Sophia, I thought we could just go for a walk since it's such a nice day outside. I think Alan needs a break from his work.
Yeah, I definitely needed a break.
You know what? I need to go to the restroom. I'll be back in a little bit.
What are you doing?
Sorry. Hello?
Alan, I'm glad you answered.
Sophia, what can I do for you?
Well, I was talking to Lisa and she told me that you're selling your invention. I was wondering if I could see it.
Really? You'd be interested in seeing it? That kind of stuff bores Lisa to death.
Of course I'd love to see it.
Wow. Great. When?
Tomorrow?
Sure, I could take off my lunch hour.
Yes.
Does Sophia live here?
Mm-hmm. Come on in.
I woke up one morning, all my fingers rotting. I woke up a dying man without a chance. I came to your window through a stone and waited. At the door, a stranger stood. The stranger's voice said nothing good. I turned to walk the frozen ground alone, all the way home. Wide-eyed walker, do not wander through the dawn. Both my eyes are fading, no light in the evening. Planted like a seed in sand and drowned in rain.
Hello? What? Stanley, are you sure?
I was poor in love, I was poor in wealth, I was okay in everything else there was. Oh, I was poor in love. I was poor in love. This is the song for Sophia.
Alan, I have to tell you something.
So do I.
Sophia poisoned Stanley's dad while she was working for him. Now nobody knows where she is.
I gave her all of the money from the sale. I gave her all of it.
steps, and I have